Alright, got this Kirby Avaliar-2 vacuum cleaner. See the name right there? It's in real good shape. Ideal for a small apartment complex or mall, motel, office. Everybody knows the Kirby is a good vacuum cleaner. This hasn't been used much. The main bag is in excellent shape. I've got some new bags that go inside of that, some new packages. I'm going to start it up for you there. We're going to clean this. This is all styrofoam right here. So we're going to see what it does with styrofoam. Get this over here. It likes to stick to your hands. Alright, here we go. It picked it up big time. Alright, Kirby Avaliar-2 vacuum cleaner, upright.